Homeowners in New Orleans face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining energy efficiency. The city's hot, humid climate and frequent storms mean that homes must be well insulated to keep energy costs under control. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency is through professional window installation. Here's how investing in expert installation can lead to lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, and a more sustainable home. Proper sealing and insulation prevents energy loss. Poorly installed windows often result in gaps, leaks, and drafts, making it difficult to keep your home at a stable temperature. Professional window installation ensures that windows are precisely fitted to eliminate air leaks. Seals and weather stripping are applied correctly to prevent energy loss. Insulated window frames improve thermal performance and reduce heat transfer. With these measures in place, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain indoor comfort, which translates to lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat transfer. New Orleans experiences long, hot summers that can drive up cooling costs. High-quality energy-efficient windows offer features like double or triple pane glass that provides insulation and minimizes heat gain. Low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light inside. Argon or krypton gas-filled panes, which reduce heat conduction between window layers. By blocking excessive heat from entering your home, these features help keep indoor temperatures stable and reduce the need for constant air conditioning. UV protection helps maintain a comfortable home. New Orleans homeowners know how intense the sun's UV rays can be. Over time, exposure to sunlight can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. Professional window installation with UV-blocking glass helps protect interiors from sun damage without sacrificing natural light. Reduce glare, making rooms more comfortable. Improve overall energy efficiency by preventing excessive heat gain. By investing in windows with UV protection, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable living space without over-relying on blinds or curtains. Preventing moisture and humidity problems. New Orleans' high humidity levels can cause moisture buildup, mold growth, and window frame damage. Professional installation ensures tight seals that prevent moisture infiltration. Proper ventilation design to reduce condensation buildup. Mold-resistant materials that contribute to better indoor air quality. By reducing humidity problems, new windows help maintain a healthier indoor environment while also extending the lifespan of your home's materials. Storm-resistant windows for added protection. With hurricane season posing a constant threat to New Orleans homes, impact-resistant windows offer both energy efficiency and security. Professionally installed storm-rated windows withstand strong winds and flying debris, reducing damage risks. Improve insulation, keeping heat out in the summer and warmth inside in winter. Enhance overall home security, as they are harder to break than standard windows. These windows not only improve energy performance but also protect your home from extreme weather conditions. Lowering utility bills and increasing home value. One of the biggest benefits of energy-efficient windows is the significant reduction in heating and cooling costs. Studies show that properly installed, Energy Star rated windows can lead to 15–30% energy savings. Additionally, modern, well-installed windows can increase your home's resale value by making it more appealing to buyers. Qualify for tax credits and energy rebates, reducing upfront installation costs. Reduce carbon footprints, contributing to a more sustainable future. By partnering with a professional window installation company, you can ensure that your investment provides long-term energy savings and enhanced property value. Why choose professional window installation? While DIY window installation may seem like a way to save money, improper installation can lead to costly energy loss and future repairs. Professional installers provide expert measurements and custom fittings for a seamless installation. Quality materials and warranties, ensuring long-lasting performance. Knowledge of local climate conditions, recommending the best energy-efficient solutions for New Orleans homes. By hiring trusted window professionals, homeowners can avoid costly mistakes and maximize energy efficiency from day one. Final thoughts. A smart investment for New Orleans homeowners. With New Orleans' hot climate and frequent storms, ensuring energy-efficient window installation is a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and home protection. By working with expert installers, you can enjoy lower energy bills, a more comfortable home, and peace of mind during hurricane season. Ready to upgrade your windows? Contact a professional window installation company in New Orleans to explore the best energy-efficient options for your home.